some junky short nails. I wish Wolf was up so that I could do their hair, so that I'm not doing hair all day. But they're knocked out asleep, so that's not happening. But it's a new week for a new vlog. I'm gonna make the grocery list for next week, well, for this week, and then I'm going to finally do laundry because it's getting out of hand. And there's ICE agents in my fucking city. What type of fucking dystopian times are we fucking living in? Like, what is this shit? And nobody's talking about anything. It's like everybody's on, I'm on quiet mode, everything's okay. Bitch, everything's not fucking okay. I need to get my uterus taken out ASAP. I need to get it taken out ASAP. Fucking ASAP. I'm cold, so I think I'm getting ready to put on my hoodie and my sweatpants, but they're in the dryer, so I gotta go down there and get them. I need to oil my scalp. It feels pretty oiled. I'm just hoping that everything is retwisted. It's so long now. So you guys remember I was recording on a video camera. Well, I finally found another one on eBay, and it should be here by the end of the month. And I get to start back recording my nostalgic videos. Don't get me wrong, the quality on the iPhone 12 is okay, but it's really annoying trying to get the files over, and my computer, my computer be saying it don't have no storage, but when I hook up my external hard drive and then I hook up the SD card, it works perfectly fine. So I have to maneuver around. I'm not gonna get the Canon yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because I like how the content looks on the camcorder. And I told myself if the camcorder ends up dying on me, then I'll just buy a camera then. But until then, I'm sticking with the iPhone and the camcorder that I got. And it's red. The last one I had, I think, was black. So that's pretty cool. Facial is on. My face is already, I feel like it's getting stuck together. And I got some clay in my hair, so that's crazy. But I'll see you in like 30 minutes, maybe. Got the goods. So we got my meds. I'm filming from my phone because I left my vlogging camera at the house. This is exactly why I have a camera on the way. We got my meds. It's been 17 days that I've been off my meds because bitches want to charge, but I finally got my meds. We are inside of Aldi's getting food for a few days, I guess. But I need to figure out what I'm eating this morning. Hold on. Wolfton found a dog. So I did a clay mask yesterday, and some of the clay is in my hair. I need to get that. And I retwisted my hair. Yes, I'm so excited. I feel good, but I feel like at the same time. But I'm getting ready to make some breakfast probably. Trap the dog. Yeah, Wolf found a dog, and I need them not to do what I know that they're trying to do. So I need them to get it together now. Hi, vlog. What I put that on? My lipstick. Okay, we made it to the monster truck place. Right when I start talking, we get loud as hell. Oh. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it was my first time seeing the monster trucks, and it was so fire. It was so fire. Excuse me. Oh, it was so cool. I got some footage, but oh my gosh, it was so dope. Like, I want to go again. I gotta go back. It was so nice. Okay, that's perfect. I mean, good morning, vlog. Good morning, besties. It's about 3:33 in the morning. I got kicked out the bed because Wolf was sleeping real wild. So, um, I'm watching YouTube videos, and I'm about to clean out my bag. And then I looked at my phone, and I realized that my camera will be here on the 23rd. So that's exciting. Alright, so I just let Bubba out. I'm about to cook Wolf's breakfast. I'm watching YouTube while I cook breakfast. It's 4:08. I'm cooking kind of early so I can get it over with. Yeah, I'm about to see what's in there for them to eat for lunch. Good morning. It is 4:11. I'm getting Wolf's breakfast and stuff together, and then taking Bubba outside. The morning routine. I am so tired. I kept waking up every hour on the hour, like it was so ridiculous. Don't recommend. Well, let me get everything together and then I'll call y'all right back. Hi guys. So I just wanted to let y'all know I had an accident and I threw up all over my computer. And now my MacBook doesn't work. What the fuck? I'm so mad at myself. But I can't be mad at myself because it wasn't my fault. I just threw up like out of nowhere. No warning. No freaking warning. I'm so sad. How am I going to do my footage? Like, how am I going to edit? I can edit on my iPad, but it'd be taking forever. And I just got a digital camera so I can start back doing my digital camera series, and then this happens. I need to talk to Apple and see how much it probably will cost to get it fixed. I hope it's not going to be an arm and a leg. I am so bummed about my MacBook. Like, when it happened so fast, I didn't even realize what happened. And then I realized what happened. And I just hurried up and tried to clean it off. And I cleaned it. But I didn't do good enough because it's not turning on. It only works when it's plugged up to the power source. And I know that's not good. So I don't know what to do. I need to probably make a appointment with Apple to see if it's even fixable, because I need it to be fixable. I need it to be. You okay? Let's come with a cake. Yeah, I don't want to get it cheap like that, you know. I want to legitimately do it. So as much as any more Python though, because I mean, you know, the 155 is okay. I would prefer maybe seeing something bigger if we can. I don't even know if we can. We're gonna have to probably get to a crossbow if we're gonna do that.
And the question is, how the hell do I do that? I'm gonna have to get into it fast. This is gonna have to be a big project. I don't know if we're gonna get that done here today. Probably not. But yeah, definitely gonna be working on that one soon. At the bare minimum, I'd say like the next 2 episodes we should have one. What level is this saddle though? Oh wow. I've got it. I got it on the next 2 items for the alley hill. What do we want to go for? A little bit of health. Probably that'd be a good idea. Nice. For a little while, so yeah, it's probably a good thing that I'm not going to try and do that. It wouldn't make sense right now. Anyway, regardless, let's take a little look around. So we have metal back there that we can use. It's got beaver dams in it, which could be perfect for us. I don't know if we're going to be able to actually get in there without any of these medicates, so we'll see. But yeah, we're just gonna check and see if we can just maybe count on a little. Oh, that'll be great. We got a Rex over there. We got Ankies. Any more bison though? There's one over there, but I feel like that's one that we
I might have to put it on the charger.
Yeah, the middle one. Okay. Good to know anyway. Also, we do need to get a saddle on for these horses.
Oh my gosh.
Mass produce
sounds like the
our trank arrows and our
It does.
going forward. So
It's
we
clear.
actually end up at level 50 really soon as well. Even though I'm not playing the speed level,
but it is
that's
a
just
little
kind of how it
clear.
works in this
I
game.
will give you that. It took it from like 420 feet
What is that? All this.
to 620
Very
feet. I was
salty,
like,
but it kind of adds to it. I'm gonna leave it on.
I got
I do
another
think it adds to it a little
camera.
bit. I do actually kind of like it right now, for the moment.